In this video, I will guide you through how to connect Patreon to your Discord. So let's just begin. First of all, what I suggest is if you are willing to connect your Patreon account, you're going to be opening your browser and search in here for Patreon Discord. So simply type in here Patreon and Discord and just wait for a couple of seconds. So yeah, the very first link is over here. You can install this for our Discord. So this allows us to bridge between our Discord and Patreon. Make sure that you have Discord account already that you're going to be connecting it with. Simply agree, and automatically it is going to be connecting with your Discord account. So it is actually really simple to connect it. You can try it for yourself as well. If you still have any questions or issues, you can let us know in the comments below, and I will be more than happy to assist. Thank you so much for watching.